So karon guys is
the water is gone.
no more water here already. So karon guys is moad to mi sa beach. No, if
Goddamn swamp now.
it's like that, if the water is what?
Oh my god, look at the roots of the tree, bro. It looks terrifying. Look at the roots.
At the Kaganguhan Beach, guys.
Wait, Adri. Look at the roots.
The one is a mangrove.
There's still water there. There's water.
Yeah, his name is a mangrove.
No, it's a mango. This Shrek's
Mango.
Mango. Yeah, Adri, there's still water. Yeah. It's gone. What?
Hi, guys.
Mango?
Yay! We're going to swim for today.
You want to swim in that? That's disgusting.
Yeah.
I'd rather go to a swim pool.
We're going to swim for this area. And it's nice. Oh, they got the ship. Tomorrow? No, mom. But mommy si Ken. Mommy si Nid. Guys, we got the ship here. Oh my God! So big!
Actually nice.
Hi! Oh, this is the beach.
You will not drop your phone inside.
No, don't drop it.
If you drop your
Wait,
phone,
why get like that so many, no?
if you drop your phone, look at all the.
Ropes. They are supposed to be in the water.
Oh, look at the ship over there.
And then can make ship, guys.
Oh, there's a boat.
Ah, it's a barge.
The boat is moving.
It's a barge.
Now look at it like that.
Oh, it's nice.
But it's too far away.
Nagkuhan, guys. Nakalugsong, guys.
So even nicer.
Oh, it's so nice.
The boat.
Nangangaignoy ng boat, guys. It's a cargo boat.
Like, I don't know why the cargo boat is all the way. One mini boat all the way there. That's kind of strange.
This one is all for the loading. Loading truck.
That's strange. Like there's only one mini boat. Oh look, it looks a bit.
Say hi, guys.
It's like somebody's not moving. There's like another land over there. Probably trying to do.
Actually, dili yun siya pwede sa pangligo, guys.
Like, what's the thing in the center here, bro?
Dili siya, it's not for the what?
No, like it's wide.
It's not for the swimming, it's for the loading truck only. And they put it for the restaurants. Say hi, guys. That's at the beach.
I wonder how I win. I only have discovered. The best is I'm just gonna sell it. Do you see how they
Then suddenly the water no more, guys. Just now we got water there. Oh my gosh. It's Jonas. And suddenly coming back, guys. The water just now. Huh? The Carla.
I go to Vickers Town.
Is it a mangrove? Mangrove.
area roots.
Mangrove.
Mangrove. It's not mango.
Still area roots.
It is a mango tree. Mangrove. It's a mango tree.
Let's put mango from Grove Garden.
Ah!
Hi.
Hmm.